Queen in red-faced cut ties Harry after Duke launches new legal battle over High Court libel. Prince Harry has begun suing the publisher for libel, it has been claimed this evening. It is not known which title in the DMGT group, which includes the Duke of Sussex's reported action, relates to. But it has been claimed this evening that he is planning to take the publisher to the High Court. Royal journalist Cameron Walker tweeted, "Prince Harry has launched a High Court libel action against the publisher." It is not known which specific title or article the claim relates to. Harry's action follows a successful civil lawsuit his wife Meghan Markle brought against the publisher. It related to publication of parts of a personal and private letter she sent to her estranged father Thomas Markle in 2018. The paper argued that it was in the public interest to reveal. But last month the High Court agreed with an earlier ruling that they had breached her privacy. Meghan was awarded £1 damages for misuse of private information. In addition to this, the publisher will also pay a confidential amount in damages for having infringed her copyright by publishing parts of the letter to 77-year-old Mr. Markle. The publisher is also expected to cover much of Meghan's legal costs, which could run into seven figures. Royal expert Omid Scobie added, "A spokesperson for the Sussexes confirms that Prince Harry has filed a legal complaint against Associated Newspapers, publisher." ITV Royal Correspondent Chris Shipp tweeted, "The Sussexes are back in the High Court with Associated Newspapers, the publishers. Prince Harry has launched the libel action, but it's currently unclear which article or story is the subject of his complaint." He added, "Prince Harry's office confirms to ITV News that he has launched libel action against Associated Newspapers Limited. But they decline to explain any further what the Duke of Sussex is suing the newspaper group for." A service of thanksgiving is being held for the late Prince Philip at Westminster Abbey at the end of next month, but one source says it's unlikely his grandson Prince Harry will return to the UK from California for the event. Prince Harry could miss Prince Philip's memorial service next month amid his legal battle over security, it has been claimed. Harry is suing over a decision not to allow him to pay for police protection for himself and his family while in the UK. He says he wants to bring his children Archie and Lilibet to visit from the US, where he now lives with wife Meghan Markle, but his barrister told the High Court during a hearing on Friday that he does not feel safe when visiting under the current security arrangements. He is arguing that his private protection team in the US does not have adequate jurisdiction abroad or access to UK intelligence information which is needed to keep his family safe. And now this had led some to believe that if this is the case, he will not return to the UK next month when a memorial service for his late beloved grandfather Prince Philip takes place at Westminster Abbey on March 29. A source close to the royal family told, "They don't think it's likely he'll come back because it would undermine his position that it's too much of a threat." However, in a written submission to the court last week, Robert Palmer QC for the Home Office did point out that Harry had a form of exceptional status. This means he is considered for personal protective security by the police, with the precise arrangements being dependent on the reason for his presence in Great Britain and by reference to the functions he carries out when present. During the hearing last Friday, Shahid Fatima QC, for the Duke, said, "This claim is about the fact that the claimant does not feel safe when he is in the UK given the security arrangements applied to him in June 2021 and will continue to be applied to him." She continued, "It goes without saying that he does want to come back to see family and friends and to continue to support the charities that are so close to his heart.